Hi guys, it's Ashley at Hairventions and I'm back with another hair video. This video is about hair and health literacy. Have you ever struggled with breakage, slow growth, or dry, itchy scalp? No matter what you did or what products you use, the real issue might not be your hair type, but your hair and health literacy. I see so many people investing in expensive hair products, trying the latest trends, but still not getting the results that they desire. Why is that? Because hair health isn't just about what you put on your hair, it's also about what's happened inside of your body too. Okay? Let me share a little personal story with you. I used to think that applying oils and protective styles would fix everything with my hair. But when I started learning about scalp health, hydration, stress levels, and the right hair care techniques, everything changed for me. My hair flourished, my clients' hair flourished, my daughter's hair flourished, everyone's hair that I touched flourished. And I felt more confident caring for it. Okay? So today I'm going to be breaking down why understanding both hair and health literacy is the real key to hair growth, wellness, and healing your crown. So stick around all the way to the end. Let's dive in. What is hair and health literacy? Let's start with the basics. What is hair literacy? Hair literacy means understanding how to properly care for your hair, from cleansing to detangling to moisturizing and styling. It's about using the right techniques and products for your hair type, okay? You must know that not all products are treated equally and not all products works for every hair type, okay? Each hair type and each hair goal should have a special, unique regimen and products that can help achieve it, okay? Now, health literacy. That's all about understand how your wellness, your diet, your hydration, and your stress levels affect your health and hair growth and scalp health, okay? Your hair is literally a reflection of what's going on inside your body. Most people don't know that. So think of it like this. You wouldn't expect a plant to thrive if the soil is dry and unhealthy, right? The same thing goes for your hair. It needs the right nourishment inside and out, okay? Hopefully that was a good analogy. So the connection between hair health and hair growth. Let's break it down real quick. Let's talk about food, right? I love me a good meal. I love me a good meal, but all meals ain't good for your body or your hair health. So, because what you eat affects your hair just as much as what you put on it. Your hair needs key nutrients to grow, thrive, and be well, like iron and biotin, okay? Foods like spinach, nuts, eggs, they help to strengthen hair and reduce shedding, okay? Omega-3s are really, really great. That's just salmon. Ooh, my fave, right? They are found in salmon, flax seeds, and these help to keep your scalp moisturized, okay? We need moisturized scalps because who wants psoriasis? Who want dandruff, right? Who want dry, flaky, itchy scalp? No one. So be sure to incorporate those foods in your diet. And I don't think it should be hard because salmon is just amazing. Okay. Water. Okay? Dehydrated hair is brittle hair. Okay? So you want to drink it up. They say about 8 glasses a day is key. Okay, for a nice hydrated body to keep your cells flowing and keep your body cleansed from toxics and things like that. You also want to make sure that you use some of that water on your hair too because it helps to hydrate it as well, okay? A glass of water is just as important as your deep conditioner, okay? So, and let's not forget stress. When stress hormones like cortisol rise, your hair growth slows down. Did you know that? Fun fact. That's why self-care isn't just a luxury, it's necessary for hair growth. Okay, friends? So let's go into maintenance and protective styling for healing. Now, I know a lot of y'all love protective styles. Remember, I've been a protective style queen forever, literally 25 years, but on social media about a good 11, 12. But still, I love me a good protective style. Here's the thing. A protective style should protect. Let me say that again. A protective style should protect, not damage your hair, right? So all protective styles are not good for all hair types. Let's just be honest. For example, if you have fine hair texture, meaning finer strands, even though your hair could swell up and look big, you don't want to get protective styles that use excessive amount of hair to pull and weigh your hair down. That could cause balding, breakage, bald spots. You know, that's not going to protect your hair. That's going to damage your hair. So that's what we mean. Well, that's what I mean when I say, hey, you want a protective style that protects your hair and not damage it. So the more you know about your hair type, texture, and the proper styles to do to your hair so that it grows and is healthy and is strong, is the best way for you to be on your healthy hair care journey. So that's why hair health literacy is so important. So here is how you do a protective style the right way. Scalp care first. I can't express that importance anymore. Scalp care first. Like literally, you need to always start with a clean, moisturized scalp before installing any protective style. Okay, why? Most of the time we put protective styles in to give our hair a break. If our hair is having a break, meaning we're not doing any daily styling, no washing weekly or anything like that, then we can't go into the hairstyle dirty hair already, because it's not going to do anything but cause more dirt to pile on top of dirt to clog our scalp up with product buildup, and now our healthy new growth hair can't grow out of the scalp because it's stuck with all the buildup. So please, please, please start with a clean, fresh scalp. It's not hard to do a nice scalp detox or get you one of them brushes where you're scrubbing your scalp really quick with a nice wash, okay, before you get a protective style. Gentle detangling. If you are in a rush and you have somewhere that you need to be, but you don't have enough time to properly take down your hair and get it prepared, don't do it. Because raking, pulling, rushing is not okay for us girlies on our healthy hair care journey, right? So you want to be sure that you're not yanking your hair, ripping through your hair, okay? You want to use a conditioner and a wide tooth comb. I really like to finger detangle because I can feel if I'm coming across a knot faster than a comb can detect it. I can use my hands to properly go through and separate the hair to reduce breakage, okay? So finger detangling, a good conditioner, or a wide tooth comb is great to properly detangle your hair gently. TLC, our natural hair, yes, it takes a lot of patience. It is a lot to do, but we must give it TLC, okay? Last but not least, avoid too much tension. As I said a little while ago, if your scalp is sore after getting a braid style or any protective style, it's too tight. It's too tight. Please don't wait until the style is finished to tell your stylist or yourself that, wow, this is too tight. Because it's just not okay. The tension can cause hair loss, balding, alopecia, so many things that we do not want on our healthy hair care journey. Okay? So we want to make sure that we get styles that are low tension. The ponytail don't need to be tight to look flawless. Those braids definitely don't need to snatch your edges to the back just to look nice, okay? You need to opt in for low tension hair. So I don't care how thick or strong you feel your hair is. Please give your hair that much love to not pull, yank it. It could also cause headaches and more stuff, even internally. Like, just don't do it. A great style that I'm so happy that we even have a choice of is the knotless braids or the feed-in braids. Those are great low tension hairstyles if you're going to opt in for braids, okay? So think about that. Now, how to take control of your hair health. what you could do right now to take control of your hair health. Let me break it down for you real quick. Educate yourself. Educate yourself. Educate yourself. Okay? That's why I'm even doing this video right now, to give you guys the basic education, okay? Just to help you to gain more hair knowledge so you can be well on your journey, okay? The more you know, the better choices you will make for your hair. The more you know, the better choices you will make for your hair. A lot of people are stuck with growing their hair, or their hair only grows to a certain length and stop. It's because of the lack of education. There are so many ways to learn about healthy hair education out here in this world now, which is awesome, more than ever. We could go on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, so much social media platforms. You know, even most of the big brands have newsletters. You can sign up on their website, free email downloads, hair guides. All of this stuff will give you some information about healthy hair care education, okay? So the more you know, the better choices you can make. What you don't know, you kind of can't really blame yourself because you just didn't know. You only operated and making a decision off of the information that you know. And it may not be a lot. And it may not even be accurate. So try to educate yourself as much as possible to stay on your healthy hair care journey. Choose the right products. As I said earlier, all products are not one size fit all for all hair textures and types, okay? Now, I say stick to all natural products, you know, like our line, Nairos Naturals. You guys are here because you probably are interested in getting it or already have it. But we are all natural ingredients. You can read the ingredients on our labels and actually understand what ingredients it is. It isn't no foreign language. It isn't no words on here that you need to look up and figure out. These ingredients are all natural, organic. I formulated myself, so I know that it's safe. My daughter has very sensitive skin. I will not put anything on her, or let alone me, that will harm her. Because remember, whatever you put on your scalp goes into your bloodstream and goes into your body, and it could cause issues. And that's not what we're trying to do. We want hair health, hair and scalp health and skin health and overall health, okay, journey. So we want to make sure that we choose wisely the products that we put in our hair, okay? So opt in for as natural as possible. It's going to be expensive, it is, but I think that anytime, you know, you putting stuff in your body, stuff on your hair, that should be where most of the money is going. You should not opt in for no low brand, cheap products when it comes to your hair and health, period, okay? So yes, spend a little extra dollar for you to be more on the safe side, because these products and out here and the food out here are adding so much ingredients that are not good for us. It's like slow kill. You know, later on down the line, you can come up with something, and that's not what we're here for. So if you can, put your little savings for your hair and health to the side so you can get the top-notch products to help you stay well and healthy and look beautiful. So you also want to read the labels, right? As I mentioned, you don't want any harsh sulfates or any alcohols, any parabens, any colors or anything like that. You don't want any of that to touch your hair, scalp, or your skin. Okay? So be sure, at least that's at minimum. There's so many other ingredients that I can share with you later on down the line, but that you need to look out for. But no alcohols, no parabens, and no harsh sulfates to begin with. And last but not least, be consistent. Okay, consistency is key in everything in life, but especially with our natural hair care journey, you have to be consistent. Whatever regimen that you're going to choose, make sure it fits your lifestyle so you can stick to it, be consistent, and see it through. People like, oh, I tried this product for 2 weeks, it sucks. Any product or anything that you sign up to do, you at least got to give it 3 months to start working. You at least have to stick around for 3 months for it to start working, period. Okay? And so let's create these regimens, these routines that we can stick to. For example, once a week, you're going to do a scalp massage. Every 2 weeks, you're going to do a deep condition. Every 3 weeks, you're going to trim those ends. Every 4 weeks, you start the process over. That's just a basic little routine regimen that I just gave you guys, but something along those lines that you can keep up with, okay? Healthy hair is about routine, not random treatments, not random styling, not any old type of styling, okay? You want to stay consistent so you can see results. Here's a key takeaway for you. after all this great information I just shared. Small intentional steps lead to long-term hair health. Okay? Small intentional steps lead to long-term hair health. Just take a minute. I don't know if you have a self-care day. If you don't, you really need to get one. And you can just incorporate your hair routine on that day. Okay? To be consistent. To do, again, small steps. Just try. If you are serious, I'm telling you, it will be worth it. Okay, we need to heal our crowns. We need to love our crowns. We need to wear our crowns proudly. But we can't wear something proud that we don't know much about, meaning we don't have the education. We don't have the proper products. Okay, we're not being consistent, taking our time. We just can't get there. And so if you're really serious, make it a commitment for you to get there, be consistent, okay? But I'm here to help you every step of the way, okay? I'm not going nowhere. You guys can email me, ash@hairventures.com, support@ninerosenaturals.com. Any questions that you may have, I can help you along your way. I've been in it for so long. I understand the ins and outs, the ups and downs of hair and health care, okay? So, I'm so happy that you guys are taking charge to not only take care of your hair, but of your child's hair. You know, everything starts with our youth. If we could have them loving on themselves, loving on their hair from young, they can carry that into adulthood. We need more leaders here. We need more uniqueness, not followers and being on trend. We need more of us and our children and our youth to love themselves and stand out so we could have that be a trend. Everybody loving on themselves, loving the uniqueness about them, and just standing up and being leaders in this world. It's too many followers. Okay, God didn't create us to be a follower. He said we are the head and not the tail, according to scripture. So that's what we're going to be. We need to teach our youth that. And it all starts with self-confidence, self-love, caring for our hair, self-care, and all of that. If you found this video helpful, please reach out to us. Let us know. If you have any questions, I left my email. Please shoot us an email. We're happy to help you. We're happy to answer any questions, okay? Now, as a part of the package, you guys get 15% off of any Nine Rose Natural products. Make the purchase for this bundle, okay? So I hope that this information blessed you in some way for you to really understand how important it is to educate. Not only educating yourself on healthy hair care, on self-care, on wellness and things like that, but anything that you decide in life that you want to connect yourself to. Educate yourself about it so you can thrive in it, so you can make sure it's a part of your vision, your values, who you are, you know, make sure it is something you want to be a part of, something you want to sign up for, okay? Education is key. Education is key. Anywho, I love you guys, and until next time, happy hair growing.